In this demo, I will be showing how to create an end-to-end data pipeline using the Bruin Agent. I started with an empty repo with just some generic instructions for the agent on how to use Bruin CLI and navigate Bruin Cloud. I started with giving this single prompt and saying to create the data pipeline end-to-end. We already had some data inside Salesforce, some demo data, and after 30 minutes and 184 different steps, it was able to complete the end-to-end data pipeline, and it gave us a summary of all the tables that it created, 14 assets at the ingestion layer, 5 at the silver, and 9 at the gold layer. And it gave us a summary of all the tables and their row count and everything. And that created our entire lineage where we had the seed asset that would create the dummy data in Salesforce, all the ingestion assets that would ingest the data from Salesforce to Snowflake, and then our transformation layer and the final gold layer for our data reports. After the pipeline was created, I created 2 different skills. One was a data activation skill that would allow the agent to connect to Salesforce and push and update data directly inside Salesforce. And the other skill is for the agent to be able to troubleshoot data pipeline issues and push fixes. I created a Slack agent to demonstrate these 2 different skills. In this example here, I asked the agent to go ahead and update some of the opportunities inside Salesforce with a specific set of criteria. At first, there was a minor issue due to storage limits inside Salesforce. After resolving that, it was able to delete some tasks and create new tasks inside Salesforce. In this next example, I asked the agent to create a new field inside Opportunity, and it was able to create that inside Salesforce. And after running the bronze layer ingestion asset, it automatically was handled by Bruin Ingester, and it was populated inside the bronze table. However, it was not populated downstream, and I asked the agent to populate the new column downstream. It created the PR for it, and after merging it, it was able to refresh the tables downstream for the new field to show up. In the next example here, there was a data type issue that caused the pipeline to fail. I asked the agent to investigate. It was able to identify the issue immediately, and it proposed a fix for the issue as well. After approving the fix, the agent went ahead, pushed the fix, and rerun the failed asset. In this last example here, I asked the agent an analytical question, and it was able to properly detect that the metric was defined incorrectly, and it proposed a fix for it as well, and it fixed the issue and updated the definition of that metric.